morning, YouTube. How you guys doing? This is a video of my 2009 Chevy Silverado. The side muffler. So pretty much what I did when I purchased the truck, it's got a 6-inch lift. It had a Flowmaster 2-chamber thing on it with the turn downs. Didn't like the sound at all, so I went ahead and swapped over to a what is it, Series 10 Flowmaster with the turn down. Still sounded like crap. So I kind of wanted to do something to make it a little bit louder. And I've noticed in the past in my other vehicles that when I actually add tips to it, it sounds louder. So I decided I want tips, but I didn't want tips all the way in the back. And I had considered doing the tips out the side, right in front of the passenger rear tire. And I started to hunt for some tips. I found some stainless angle tips, which I'll show you right now. As a matter of fact, I'll show you the truck now. That's the tips there. They got that angle. Pretty nice. I am running I'm sorry. I am running a straight pipe. I've got no muffler. This is not a how-to. This is more about how I did. I went to the muffler shop and because I cut the muffler off myself. And I just went to the muffler shop because I kept trying to find 3-inch pipe at a 45-degree angle, thinking that was gonna work. It wasn't. Actually, as a matter of fact, now that I'm looking at this one, I could have gone a little bit different, but I'm okay with what it is now. So here it is. So you've got the dual tips that go into one 3-inch. I believe it's a 3-inch. And then you got one single pipe with that, like about 2 bends on it. Clears the frame somewhat, or quite a bit. Even though I think I should have had them bring it in a little bit tighter, so that the tips were a little bit further up away from the tire. But I don't think I have any clearance issues. And then it just goes into the straight stock pipe. Pretty simple. Now, if you ask me, do I like how it sounds? Yes. It's loud. Not obnoxious loud, it's just loud enough to just to be loud. I'll give you a cold start right now. And yeah, if you were kind of looking, because I looked on YouTube to find a video on how to do it or what I needed to be done, all I found was kits. I didn't really want to do that because I'm going to be doing long tube headers and the rest of the stuff later. For now, that's all I wanted. So I'll go ahead and give you a cold start. Let you guys know. dad has a 2006 Super Sport Intimidator, and that thing was so easy. We just threw the muffler, went to the muffler shop, had him throw on the I think it's a 40 series muffler or something like that with the dual tips. That thing was loud. As a matter of fact, I'm just a little bit louder than he is now, and I'm straight piped. So whatever the reason for that being, this was the best option for me to get a little bit more grunt out of the exhaust. Yeah, man. I hope this video helps somebody that's trying to do some side exhaust work on their truck. Like I said, I'm not good at building